Hello viewers, once again welcome back to Java Jagran, and now this time I'm here with a new video collections with the name of Java collections. Here I'm going to talk about everything about the Java collections. I will talk what are the collection classes, what is the Java collections, how to work with Java collection. I will talk about the everything. So here is the agenda what we are going to cover in this tutorials. First thing is what is collections. I will talk about what is collections. Then I will talk about why we need to use collection. Then I will talk about why collection is called framework. All collection. I will show you all the collection classes. I will talk about list interpret. I will talk about these all things. So this is the today's agenda. So now let's start. So first thing is that what is collection and why we need to use the collection. So what is collection is nothing but it's a collection group of object collection. If you are talking about the collection, it means the group of object. So it will mainly it can be a similar type of object, it can be a different type of object, but the main thing is that it will be the group of collection. So why we need to use the collections is that whenever if you are doing some programming in the real world or some practice purpose also. So if you are take one scenario like that, I'm taking one real time scenario like that, we are creating one project in that we have to manage the employee. So how will you do the suppose the for the search criteria, if you are searching on the home page, you are giving some suppose name and you want to the all the employee with that name. So what it will do fetch the data from somewhere. So you have to, in this process you have to send the list of employee from one place to another place. I mean to say place is that like one classes to another classes, one methods to another method. So we cannot create a method with the 100 employee object, and we cannot return 100 employee object from the one method. So for that we need someone who can carry the objects all the objects. So in that case the collections are coming. Suppose you can take the real life example that you are every day, suppose if you are a student or if you are an employee, if you are a student every day you are going to college. While going college you need to carry the books and notebooks, paper books, etc thing. So you cannot keep hold. If you have to carry 10 books, then you cannot keep in hand. What you are doing, you are using book bag. In the bag you are putting all the books, and then you are carrying it to the college. Again in the college you are one by one you are taking the books from the bag and you are doing your work. Again while coming you are putting all the books into the bag, while again you are coming. Same like the role of collection in Java is the same like your bag. So it's only the place to hold the objects. So that is the collection. Now why collection is called framework? If you go to the deep, or if you see that some of the you people might heard about the frameworks like Spring, Hibernate, Struts. So the main thing, the concept of the framework is why that is those is called the framework. Framework is the simply mean that the things which almost already prepared like a noodles, just we have to do some decoration then use it. Suppose like a noodles already it's prepared, just you have to make it in 2 minutes and you can use it. Same like a framework also. So in collection framework also, collection in all the classes, if you know about the data structure, so collection is nothing but they are providing the implementation of for the all the collection. If you are learning a C or C++, in that you have to create a linked list, array list, vector, queue. You have to create all the things by yourself, but in the case of Java they are already provided it in better utilization manner, so you can use it. Now uh, that's why it's called the framework, because all the things are already developed, just you have to use it. So that's why it's called the framework. Now let's see the some of the framework classes. I can show you, like, see this is the normal hierarchy of the collections. So if you will see, the collection is the topmost interface. From that all the interface are inheriting like list, queue, set. These are the all the interfaces. From the there are four implementation classes in the list, like array list, vector, linked list, and stack also. and in the queue also some classes are there. I will talk about the queue later on. As of now, I am concentrating on the list and set. In the set also, hash set is there, linked hash set is there, tree set is there. So this is the collections in the hierarchy. One more collections object is there, that is called map, but it's not coming in the collection hierarchy. It's a separate one. Why, I will talk it later, because I can say that these all classes are having only can store only one element. Suppose employee is there, so it will store only one element. But in the case of map, it's storing the data in the form of keys and values. That's why Java people separated it into the separate one. It's not extending from the or implementing from the collection interface. You see, this is the separate hierarchy and this is the separate hierarchy. That's why I also put it that both are the separate. Now our next agenda is what is list, why we will use the list. So whenever we have to store the data, just simply however I am giving, just you store. Suppose if I'm first inserting 2, giving you 2 4 10, then it will store in same manner 2 4 10. However you will insert, it will insert in the same manner. So in that case you can use the list. Some of the time you have to store in a unique manner. You don't want to duplicate. In a list, in the case of list, you can do it, can be duplicated, but sometimes you don't want to the duplicate data, you want just unique data. So on that case you can use the set. In the case of set, what will happen is it will store the only unique data. How it will storing all the things I will discuss later, just now know the concept. So in that also hash set is there, linked hash set is there, tree set is there. I will talk about all the things. So these are the there. Next is the map. In the case of map, it's storing the data. In the case of uh, case of key and value. In this case, key cannot be duplicated. Key must be the unique. Value can be duplicated for the, and we can use the duplicate. And again, some of the concepts are there for the specific implementation that I will talk later. So this is all. What is the collection? What all about the collection? The rest of the tip for the every classes I will talk in the upcoming video. I will keep the each and every classes and I will talk about that. I will show you how to perform all the operation like insert, update, delete, modify, every operation in all the collections object classes. Then after I will talk about the internals also, and then I will show you the how to create our own collections, and I will make you all people so you can create your own collection, so you can be strong in a collection. Because why we need the collection is that collection is the most important thing. If you are going for the interview, or if you are working in a company, or you are going for exam, everywhere collection is the most important thing. Or if you are going to crack our CGPSC, everywhere the collection framework is required, because it's you can so it's a very important topic in the Java, especially in core Java. So you must be, all people must have to have good knowledge on collection. So I will in the upcoming video I will show you how to do the all the things, and I will provide you the all the links. As of now, thank you and keep watching. If you like my videos, then subscribe, share and like. Thank you.